For more than 20 years, I've been performing chemistry demonstration shows to audiences of all ages. As it turns out, there's actually nothing I enjoy more than sharing chemistry with people. I've also enjoyed watching many chemistry videos on YouTube, and this channel's concept started quite a while ago. But I didn't know where to start. Sure, I have favorite demonstrations, like this one that you're seeing in the background, but there are new things I'd like to try too. So I got stuck. I just couldn't figure out the overall format for my channel. So instead, I did nothing. Over the years, I've accumulated quite a few chemicals. Maybe it was for a demonstration or a new experiment I wanted to try, and often never did. Sometimes I only got a chemical because I got a good deal on it. I don't recommend that, by the way. Regardless of how they came to be here, instead of them sitting on a shelf collecting dust, I'd like to use them. But I was still stuck. I needed more than chemical magic to conjure up how to pick which demonstrations and experiments I wanted to do first. Then there was the not so small problem of not having the first clue about how to make a video, let alone how to go about editing it. I wanted to make chemistry videos, but still be unique. Slowly, a plan started to form. And then, all of a sudden, out of the darkness, I honestly haven't been doing much chemistry lately, so my storage area had become disorganized and overrun with items that had to go. So I figured, why not film the process of seeing which old solutions still work and which are garbage, then practice editing those videos so that when I start showing my favorite demos, I'll be better at editing. It sounded like a really good plan. So that's what I've been up to. But there was still the problem of hundreds of chemicals that I have no idea what to do with. Not to mention which demonstrations do I do, and in what order. Then it hit me. Write down the name of every chemical I have in stock and put them in a hat. Then at the end of each video, pick the next featured chemical out of the hat, and that's what I have to use next. If I have a favorite demo, or if I have no idea what to do with it, doesn't matter. That's the chemical I have to use. In the process, I might learn something new, which makes it even better. The rules are simple. No returns or exchanges, and no new purchases. I can only use the featured chemical and whatever I already have on hand. In between, I do plan on working on other projects, though some of them might not be strictly chemistry. There are a bunch of great chemistry channels on YouTube already, and one day I hope to be counted among them. So to start, I've selected a nice fedora from my extensive collection, and every chemical in stock is in there somewhere. As I give it a good shake, you'll notice an escapee. There he goes. I didn't see that fly out, but that's actually going to be the first one to be selected. The one I'm about to pick is going to be the second video in the series. No exchanges, remember? So the second video in this series will be all about sodium. Oh good, something fun. But let's see what the first video is going to be about. It's just as well. I'm already going to break the rules and get something new for sodium. It's worth it. So let's see here. Dibasic potassium phosphate. Okay, well I have no idea what to do with that. For every demonstration show I've done since the year 2000, I've ended with my all-time favorite demonstration. And that's how I'll end this video too. I'll be releasing at least one video a week, so if you're interested in exploring interesting things to do with random chemicals, well, hopefully interesting, be sure to subscribe and ask to be notified when new videos are released. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy my favorite demonstration.